Open your eyes. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Take a deep breath and smell the fresh air. It's a new day, a blank page, a fresh start. Each morning we are gifted with this incredible opportunity, a chance to begin again, to do better, to be better. Don't take this gift for granted. Embrace the power of a new day. This day is yours to create. What will you do with it? Will you let yesterday's worries hold you back? Or will you rise with a grateful heart, ready to conquer the day? The choice is yours. Start your day with gratitude. Be thankful for the simple things. The air you breathe, the roof over your head, the love in your life. Gratitude shifts our perspective. It allows us to see the good even amidst challenges. When we focus on what we have, we open ourselves up to receive even more. It doesn't have to be complicated. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. Feel the energy shift. Notice how your day unfolds differently. The world is full of noise, doubts, fears, judgments. It's easy to get caught up in the negativity, to let it drown out your inner voice. But your inner voice matters. It holds your truth, your power, your purpose. Don't let anyone dim your shine. You are capable of amazing things. Find moments of stillness, meditate, reflect, connect with your inner strength. You are stronger than you think. You are worthy of all good things. You have the power to create the life you desire. It's time to unleash that power, to step into your greatness. What do you truly want? What are you passionate about? What brings you joy? These are clues to your purpose. Don't be afraid to dream big, to set bold goals, to take risks. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. Section 5. Breathe, reset, reclaim. Take a deep breath in, hold it, now exhale slowly. Feel the tension release. In the rush of life, it's easy to forget to breathe, to get caught up in the chaos, but taking a moment to pause and breathe can make all the difference. Breathing exercises are powerful tools. They calm the mind, they center us, they allow us to connect with our inner peace. Section 6. Rise with strength, lead with kindness. Today, choose to rise stronger. Be bold in your actions. Be fearless in your pursuit of your dreams. But also, lead with kindness. Kindness is not a weakness, it's a strength. It takes courage to be kind, especially in the face of adversity. Your kindness has a ripple effect. It inspires others to do the same. When you lead with kindness, you create a more compassionate world. Walk through your day with purpose, with confidence, with a heart full of gratitude. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks, but it's how you respond that defines you. Practice patience, stay present, trust the journey. You are exactly where you need to be. This day is yours to conquer, to make a difference, to leave your mark on the world. What will you do with it? Don't waste this precious gift. Seize the opportunity. Step into your power. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself. Trust your instincts, and never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting for you to shine. Repeat after me. I am strong. I am capable. I am worthy. I am enough. Words have power. What you tell yourself matters. Choose to focus on positive affirmations. To speak life into your dreams. Write down your affirmations. Say them out loud. Believe them with every fiber of your being. You are powerful beyond measure. The world is waiting for you. Go forth and conquer your day. Make it a masterpiece. Live with passion, love with your whole heart, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams. You got this. Now go make it happen.